So this is a video about how people cheat using Discord and third-person spectator cam in Sandstorm. It's very common, especially now firefight has changed to 5v5. It's far more effective now. It's 5v5, not 5v12.
Shit!
It's very low. Where is everyone? This guy's sniping on the back of the map. His friend's just been killed. He's obviously in Discord with him, so he's getting information via Discord of where enemies are, etc. He pushes B now, and basically this is where he takes advantage of knowing where people are.
I am at Bravo.
You can see him here now, slow down, stop beside the door. And his friend will be peeking inside the room and telling him if it's clear or not. This guy on the right there. So his friend is now watching the position of the enemy. He's lining up. He knows exactly where he is.
Enemy!
He knows exactly where the guy's going. So total advantage. Right? He kills him. So this is into the next round of the match. Again, he's sniping from the back of the map. His friend's alive at the moment, so he's probably just playing normally. This is such a problem in Sandstorm, firefight. It's such an advantage to know where people are on the objective when you're pushing into objectives. It could be 1v1. If you know where the enemy are, then you're going to kill them. Okay, let's get to where he pushes forward. People don't seem to realize that this is a problem. Some people are just in complete denial. It's the only way they can play. I'm going to push to B now. We'll see here how he uses third-person advantage. I'm in the corner.
Securing B!
No idea where I am.
Bravo!
Sound. He stops. He's now being checked. Waits. He's been told where I am. His friend's checking in third person. He knows exactly where I am. And kills. And that's it. It's cheating.